Hello, now I'm going to show you how you can crop your image from Figma. So let's do it. First of all, you have to drag your image in Figma. Okay. After that, you have to click on image, then scroll down and you can see image. So click on it, then you can see this option. Okay, so click on it and click crop, and then you can resize your image as per your requirement. So if I make the image like this, after that click on here, then it will be cropped as per your requirement. So I hope you can understand the process how you can crop your image in Figma within 30 seconds. Okay, and then you can download the image from here. Click on it and click export, and then click on it. It will be downloaded automatically. Okay, so I hope you can understand the whole process, how you can crop the image, also how you can download the image from Figma. Thank you.